Good morning, students. I am Vetri Chelvi from Vetri and Vetri NEET Chemistry. Today, I am going to give the video to the hydrocarbon. Before going to the video, if the viewers are the new to Vetri and Vetri NEET channel means, my humble request is please subscribe. So far, I have completed some 88 videos with the high content. You can use everything. Let us go to the class now. Today, hydrocarbon. Today, I am going to discuss them previous year questions of NEET. Okay, now let us see the question. One hydrocarbon is here. Okay, with the HBr, what is the product prominently? So what is the my instruction is always think about the reactant. Now what is this knowledge I am getting is HBr. So the HBr insisting, that is addition of this HBr, addition of this gives the Marconic rule. So that is my first approach. Okay, regarding Marconic rule, what are the points you have to keep it in the mind in your brain is, the thing is, first one is, that is electrophile. What is electrophile is the H plus and Br minus, this is the electrophile, is attack the carbon atom with the rich hydrogen. This is the first point. Second point, what are the things are available is, there is availability of methyl shift is possible, hydride shift is possible. These are the knowledge we should have. Okay, now let us write the reactant first. Now our reactant is, this is, whenever you are writing, you write as the fastest manner. So this methyl group here and the single bond CH, double bond CH2. So now you put the hydrogen, of course. As already I told, hydrogen among this double bond across this carbon is richest carbon with hydrogen. So here you are putting hydrogen. So here itself I am putting hydrogen. So this carbon, there is a formation of carbocation. Actually, what is the rule is, stability of carbocation is ruling the reaction. So here what is the nature of the carbocation is, it is secondary. After formation of carbocation, you think about any possibility of shifting there, either the methyl shift or hydride shift, whenever there is the carbocation. Now I am over that, I am thinking, now this hydrogen is coming mean, I will get here one shift with the tertiary carbon. This methyl is coming mean, I will have the secondary carbon. For your understanding, I will give both shift, of course. So first I am going to do with this one. What is this one is called methyl shift. Now let me write what is happening is, you put it, the methyl is going there, so carbocation is coming here, and here I am writing methyl group, and here it is the methyl group. Okay, now let us see here, this carbon, right, the nature of the carbon is your secondary. Okay, so this is also secondary, this is also secondary, so this shift is not possible. Now let us go to the, again I am trying the next shift is, this is H minus is, call it as a hydride shift. Now what is should we have to do is, this hydrogen with the bond is going to attack. So now let me write the product. CH3 single bond. Now the hydrogen is moving. So carbon with a positive charge is created. The methyl is as it is. Then single bond. Already here one hydrogen, this hydrogen. So CH2, this is CH3. Here what is the nature of this carbon is, you can see it is tertiary. So now it is secondary, it is tertiary. What is the order of stability of carbocation is, what is the order is, this is the order. So what is the stable, who is more stable? Tertiary is more stable. So this structure is the more stable carbocation. So reaction proceeds with this intermediate. Once this is followed, means the last step is on the carbocation, you write the Br. The reaction is over. Now compare with the product. Now I am going to see, before verify with the product, very simple trick I will give. Each time you are watching, time will be wasted. So how you have to see is, with the carbon, one side is ethyl group. On both sides you are having isopropyl group, like that you here. Now any carbon with ethyl? No. Here ethyl? No. It is here any carbon with ethyl. Iso is there in all the cases, but ethyl is not there. Leave it. So now I am focusing on my I on the D, where you are having the ethyl is there, iso is there, and BR is there. So this is the answer. So like that you have to work as a very faster manner. Okay, now again I am repeating, HBr indicating addition of hydrogen. So who is getting added is poor. This is the place is the richest here adding. So now then finally you are going for, one is the methyl shift, another is the hydrogen shift. Methyl shift is not possible because due to methyl shift you are again getting secondary only. If you follow the hydrogen shift, so that is easily you can follow it. You are one carbon is shifting, mean one carbon is shifting from account, so that you are automatically you cannot get the tertiary. So you focus on always the possibility of hydrogen shift. You work it first to save the time. After everything is ready, compare the product. Before going to compare, keep it this picture in your mind simply. One side ethyl, one side isopropyl. Go there. Ethyl is, this is the ethyl. Then remaining part you can check it. You need not worry about it. So like that only you can fast work in the examination hall. Now let us go to the next one. The reaction of this one with the HBr. Both are the same knowledge. So this is the NEET 2008 and this is the 2015. So now here what is the reactant is, let me write same HBr. So all the condition applicable is in my mind. So I have to work faster. Now I am taking the reactant first side. What is given is HBr. What is the thing is, here it is the electrophile. What is it will attack on this? Here is the richest. That is both are having same. So what I can do, that is the problem now. Okay, now I am going to do it alternatively. First let me go to this is. So now I am writing the intermediate compound. Now this is, here I am putting the hydrogen. So H2CH3 and the carbocation is formed here. This is one. What is the next one is, now do it other direction. Now here hydrogen is now added. Now I am going to add here. Okay, C6H5. CH2, single bond CH3, this is formation of carbocation. So here carbocation secondary, here carbocation secondary. Now who is going to give the product? That is the question. Now you have to think about stability of which carbocation. Now this carbocation, you think about the hyperconjugation effect. Hyperconjugation effect based on that how many alpha carbon mean here 2 3, so you are having 5 alpha carbon. Your knowledge is here HC effect, short way HC effect, 5 alpha hydrogen. Here coming to this, for this I am going to give the structure, the benzene ring CH, again you are having CH2, CH3, this is. So now what is stable? This is more stable because here the effect is called it as a resonance effect. With a fraction of second you can identify. So this is stable, selected, there you put the on the carbon atom Br. Find out the structure. So before going to that you put it in the mind, CHBr, one side is ethyl, one side is phenyl. Go to the option. Here what is it called? One side is ethyl, here is the ethyl, one side phenyl and Br. So like that we have to answer in a very faster manner in the examination hall. Now I am again repeating, it is the again Margonic rule. Here H is approaching the richest, both are having the same hydrogen. So that rule is ruled out. So I am trying on both sides. Here I am putting me, this is carbocation, it is stable by resonance, so it is, you take this. Suppose here you are putting mean, this is hyperconjugation, that is not that much stable, so resonance is dominating. So this product is getting, before going to refer with your answers, you keep this picture in your mind, that is called one CH with the one side is ethyl, one side is phenyl, like that. Here you are going no ethyl, here you are coming no ethyl, here no ethyl. So here you are coming ethyl and phenyl. So like that only you can approach the answer on comparison, then only you can easily do the organic chemistry. Now let us go into the, coming to the next question. What is the question is, a single compound of the structure. One compound is here. What I am observing here, so ketone and aldehyde is obtainable from the ozonolysis of which of the following cyclic structure. Okay, now they are giving the idea about the ozonolysis. One long structure is there. Okay, so what is the knowledge is this is the product. I am not going to write the product because it is take lot of time. What is the reactant? That is the question. In front of us, you are having lot of the cyclic structure. First, I am observing what I am seeing at a glance. All are 5 carbon atom. So, I cannot check with the carbon chain. So, that I am ruled out. The next one what I am watching is ring is having 2 methyl group in all the cases. You come and see where you are, what about this is the product you want. In the product you are having the methyl group on the, you see here in between the methyl group 1 carbon is there. So what is our knowledge is here, let us start here, 2 methyl group of on the adjacent carbon. So it is not possible. You see here children, 2 methyl group, these 2 carbon, in between you are having 1 carbon, that is the first point. So here on adjacent, so it is not correct. Here on the same carbon, so it is not possible. You can see here also on the adjacent, so it is not possible. So my conclusion is this should be the starting reactant. So after concluding, you write and find out the product. Now, so now I am going to write the OS analysis for this compound because the exam we cannot simply skip at all. So I am writing. So whenever you are doing this methyl group, you are put with the line diagram. That is enough. Afterwards, whenever you are going for OS analysis, means one trick I will give. This break the double bond, give there is one O and there is one O. After that, what you are getting is, since it is given in the form of CH, I am giving here. This you write as a CH2. Here bond, it is ended with the bond is over. Now what you are getting is, here it is. This is breaking of the bond is over. So now what you are having is the CHO. Now you come here, this one, this carbon. Afterwards, put one line and here one carbon, put methyl group. This we know it is methyl group. This carbon put one line and here you are having CH2. Again put one carbon. This carbon I am putting where you are having double bond O. So double bond O. So now what is it? This is double bond O. That's all on R. So to complete the what is called valency of hydrogen, I am putting hydrogen. So what I am having is this side is your, what is it called it as a keto group. What is this group is called the aldehyde. Okay, now here this one. Yes, now come and find out the your product. This is the product. Okay children, here. So now this is where what here you can see children 1, 2, 3. Now I am having one little confused. What is it? This is aldehyde, this is aldehyde. How is it possible? One side is aldehyde, one side is ketone. Then again verifying this corner you can see here there is no hydrogen at all. So that means what? Here that is no hydrogen mean. So here it is not possible. This is not possible, not possible. Apart from this, so I am putting the double bond. And one more thing is I left in this carbon you are having, because not possible in valency 3. What should come for the supporting another methyl group? Now what is the final knowledge is both methyl group are in between one carbon I am and concluding. So this is the way we have to approach. So before going to everything, you simply find out first how I have approached it. Since all are 5, I am not going with the checking of carbon chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so that is waste, because suppose one is 6, one is 4 means you can go with the carbon chain, because here everything is carbon with the 5. So that way don't try at all. So I am moving to the first selection with the what is the next one? I am just at a glance, I am seeing all the ring are having methyl group. Something I can do with that only. Then I am coming and eliminating everything and coming, taking here and working. Whenever when you are working here itself, you can put it. You need not go and separate. Here you are put it and here. Since here you are having 1, 2, 3. Okay, there, so you are putting aside, then here it is you are having that. So like that, one side is keto group, there is aldehyde group, one side you are giving as a keto group and complete it. Like that you can complete it. Prepare well children. Thank you.